Hello everyone. So this is Parul Arya. Very good morning to one and all. I am a wellness coach, I am a nutrition advisor, and I'm also a fitness coach. I help people to lose fat percentage and to gain muscle mass. Along with that, I also help people to have a better skin, to have a healthy heart, healthy digestive system, and I guide them for having healthy child nutrition. I advise people what to eat and what not to eat and what kind of exercise they're supposed to do as per their body type. In today's video, I would be talking more about the importance of having water. I know that this is quite underrated topic and people do not give much importance to it. But when it comes to water, that how much amount of water are we supposed to drink on a daily basis, it becomes very important to educate ourselves. So with this video, I'm gonna guide you like what is the right time to have water and how much water each and every person is supposed to have on a daily basis in a calculated terms. So basically, if you're 20 kg, you require 1 liter of water. For every 20 kg, you require 1 liter of water. So if you're 40 kg, you require straight away 2 liters of water, which is around 8 glasses of 250 ml. If you are 60 kg, you require 3 liters of water, which is around 12 glasses of 250 ml. If you are 80 kg and above, you require 4 liters of water. And I would not recommend, more than 5 liters of water. Generally, I recommend 5 liters to those who are taking some, mass gainers, because it becomes very important to avoid, kidney stone. And that is why generally the people who take mass gainers, they are generally advised by the nutrition advisor, by their gym trainers, to have 5 liters of water maximum, not more than that, okay? Because it directly impacts the sodium potassium pump that we have in our body. If it's a difficult term for you, लेट मी मेक इट ईजियर फॉर यू, ठीक है? अगर मैं 55 किलो की हूँ तो मुझे मेरे बॉडी टाइप के हिसाब से 2.5 लीटर पानी की ज़रूरत है, ठीक है? और 2.5 लीटर का अर्थ होता है 250 ml के 10 ग्लास पानी. अब पानी पीना क्यों ज़रूरी है? वाई इज़ इट इम्पॉर्टेंट? Number one, it helps you to keep your body hydrated, because we all know that 70 to 80% of our body is made up of water. Okay, second thing, it helps you to have a better glowing skin. Third, it helps you to detoxify your body and to get rid of those toxins that you have in your body. It takes away all the toxins from your regulatory system. Fourth thing, it helps you to prevent joint pain and arthritis. Fifth, it helps for the normal functioning of your body and of your immunity system. Okay, so let's not take this topic for granted. Have water reminder app. I generally, the people who are linked with me, like my client base, my customer base, I have a broadcast of them. And whenever I go to kitchen and I have a glass of water, I make sure that I put it there, that see, I'm having water reminder. So if you're not my client, you can still have a water reminder application. You can download it for free from Google Play Store and have it. In every 1 hour, it is going to remind you to have water, and it will ring like an alarm. सो आप जब खड़े होकर किचन में जाकर पानी पीकर उसके ऊपर क्लिक करेंगे दैट आई हैड वाटर, तब जाके वो बंद होता है. सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड नो मैटर व्हाट द सीजन, जनरली हम गर्मियों के सीज़न में ज़्यादा पानी पीते हैं, बट मैं रेकमेंड करूँगी कि आपको पानी सीज़न वाइज नहीं पीना है. पानी आपको 24/7 365 डेज पीना है टू कीप योर सेल्फ हेल्दियर. आपके न्यूट्रिएंट्स को, आप जो भी खाने के माध्यम से न्यूट्रिएंट्स लेते हैं, वो सेल तक पहुंचाने का काम, ठीक है? आपके ब्लड को हेल्दी रखने का काम, यह हर चीज़ पानी करता है, ठीक है? सो पानी बहुत ज़रूरी है. मेक श्योर यू हैव वाटर ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. सो आई विल बी कीप कमिंग वाया दिस वीडियो सेशंस to educate you and aware you more about these things, which generally people take it for granted, and it is very important for health, as per the health benefits I'm talking about. Okay, so this is Parul Arya. Stay tuned. I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, show me some love and keep watching, keep growing, stay healthy, stay fit. Bye. You can follow me on YouTube also, Legacy by Parul Arya.